Yo guys, welcome back to our
Chill podcast session. Yes.
Okay, so how are you guys today?
Yeah. I'm good. I'm good.
I'm good. Okay, so now today we're talking about something that's been hurting everybody's wallet lately.
Yeah.
Itu full prices, especially Pertamina Dex and Dex Lite. Like, bro, every time I go to the gas station, I feel personally attacked. Serious? How about you?
For real, man. Yesterday I go to the gas station and then I stood like for 5 seconds. I feel like I think about my life choices.
Okay. How about you?
Same here. At this point, riding around without destination feel like a luxury activity, bro.
Okay, sure. But seriously though, a lot of people are asking why Pertamina Dex and Dex Lite are keep increasing. And recently, people start connecting in with the closure of the Strait of Hormuz. Have you guys heard about that?
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it all over on TikTok and Instagram. Apparently, the Strait of Hormuz is one of the most important oil routes in the world. Yeah.
So how about you? What you thinking?
Exactly. A huge amount of global oil supply pass through that area every day. So, when there's tension or talks about closing it, oil prices worldwide instantly react.
Okay, so basically, even though we're in Indonesia, we'll still get affected because oil prices are global. What do you think?
What I think?
Yeah. Indonesia still imports some full and crowd oil. So when international oil price go up, full like Pertamina Dex and Dex Lite become more expensive too.
Yeah, and honestly, diesel users are feeling it the most. Truck drivers and then logistic companies, even people with diesel SUV, yeah, everybody complaining.
Yeah. So, bro, my friend owns a diesel car and he literally said, I drive only when emotionally necessary now. How about that?
Emotional emergency, bro. Yeah.
No kidding. So higher fuel prices also affect food delivery, shipping costs, and eventually food prices too. Everything become disconnected.
Yeah, that's the scary part. It's not just about filling up your tank anymore.
Yeah, because business also spend more on transportation, and usually when operational costs rise, consumer end up paying more. Yeah.
So, before all of it, for people who don't know, can you explain to us simply why is the Strait of Hormuz is such a big deal?
Sure. Imagine two tiny highway in the ocean where a massive amount of the world oil tank pass every day. If that route get blocked in unsafe, oil distribution shows down.
Yeah, and when supply gets disrupted, prices shot up because countries start panic and competing for oil supply.
So that's just a classic supply and demand situation, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
So do you guys think that fuel prices will continue rising?
Honestly, if geopolitical tension keeps getting worse, probably yes. Yeah, I think. Especially if global oil supply get unstable.
But hopefully not too extreme. Government usually try to stabilize price somehow because full affect almost every sector.
Man, I miss the days when people drove around just to fun without calculating full consumption every minute.
Yeah. Yeah, now people check the Google Maps not for distance but for which route with less fuel. Can you?
I'm sorry.
Bro.
There's a call from my father. Okay, so move on.
Podcast, bro.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright guys, so that's our discussion today.
Yeah.
Fuel prices, global politics, and how tiny strait can affect our daily lives all the way here in Indonesia.
Oh, crazy how connect to world is honestly.
Yeah. One issue overseas and suddenly our wallet start crying, bro.
Yeah, facts. That's for listening. Thanks for listening, everyone. Stay safe, drive wisely, and maybe don't accelerate too hard. Bye, guys.
See.